Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back. I received some skincare from Nineless free for review. So let's review it.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, so through the Yes Style Influencer program, I received from Nineless a skincare program which I've been using for 2 weeks, and we're going to talk about it. So the first thing that they sent over was the Heartleaf BHA cleanser, targeted acne prone skin. Heartleaf extract, 44%, salicylic acid, 5,000 ppm. Now, I don't know what ppm means, and by no means am I an expert on skincare, but I do know how my skin feels when I use skincare, and I'm liking this skincare system. So we have the Heartleaf BHA cleanser. We're going to read what it says on the box, and then I'm going to let you know how it worked for me and how I felt about it. Okay. Nineless A-Control Heartleaf BHA Clear Pore Cleanser. Experience the power of nature with our Heartleaf and BHA Purifying Foam Cleanser. Specially formulated for acne-prone skin, this refreshing foam cleanser is enriched with Heartleaf extract, 44%, and 0.5% BHA in the form of salicylic acid to deeply cleanse, clarify, and rejuvenate your skin. Gently massage the cleanser on wet skin. Rinse thoroughly with water. Alright, so with the cleanser, it is very creamy and it foams up, which I like, because if you have a creamy cleanser and it doesn't foam up, to me it doesn't feel like you get your skin clean. Now, it says to avoid your eyes, but I have gone over my eyes, and I haven't had a problem. Of course, I'm not opening my eyes while I'm rubbing, cleanser on them. So there's that too. Use a little bit of common sense and things will go your way, I think. It did leave my skin feeling very soft and smooth, and I quite enjoyed this. My son quite enjoys it as well, but he does not want to be in the video, so there's that. And he's had pretty good results from it. With the acne prone part. Now, I don't have a lot of acne that is like highly visible, but I do have these bumps right along the side of my face, acne, that I just, for life me, just cannot get rid of. And I get acne on my chin, on my nose. But am I like acne all over the place prone? No, I'm not. But it does help the pimples that I can't get rid of on the side of my here. They've lessened quite a bit. The acne on my chin, I'm gonna have little spots here and there, but it's doing pretty good, I feel. So then we have the azelaic acid toner, targeted for acne prone skin. Tea tree extract, 68%. AHA, 7.5%. Niacinamide, 30,000 ppm. Snell secretion filtrate, 9,800 ppm. Azelaic acid, 5,000 ppm. And salicylic acid, 5,000 ppm. Now, this is the toner. And I like this kind of toner where it feels like it's moisturizing, but it doesn't feel like it's doing nothing. I feel like this toner actually works like to help my skin repair itself. And I don't know what in it is helping that, but I like it. So what Nineless says about it is, discover nature's harmony in our azelaic acid toner with tea tree extract. This toner is a symphony of rejuvenation featuring snail mucin, azelaic acid, AHAs, and an impressive 68% tea tree extract. After cleansing, apply the toner to your skin using a cotton pad or your fingertips. Gently pat in and allow your skin to soak in the rejuvenating benefits. Follow with your preferred moisturizer to complete your skincare routine. With my toner, I always try to bring it underneath my eyes as well. And I've noticed a difference under my eyes using this toner. I don't know what it is, but it really feels good on my skin. And I don't know how to explain what about the toner that it is I like, but I've tried a lot of toners, and a lot of them just, they don't feel like they're doing anything other than getting my face wet and then drying. This one feels like it's actually doing something. I can tell the difference from before I use it and after I use it. So that to me feels like it's doing something, you know? So moving on, we have the 10% azelaic acid serum. Niacinamide, 20,000 ppm. Panthenol, 10,000 ppm. Snail secretion filtrate, 9,800 ppm. With pure niacinamide, 20,000 ppm. Panthenol, 10,000 ppm. And snail secretion filtrate, 9,800 ppm. And it's fragrance free. It says, apply a few drops to the face in the morning and evening. And that's all this says. Now, I have noticed a change in the texture of my skin. It's gotten a little bit better. I'm not expecting miracles, but a little bit better is a lot, especially for someone who can't get rid of any of the texture on their skin. I have enlarged pores and my skin is like really textured. And it's not, I know it's not going to do anything to close my pores. You can't do that. But it did help the texture, and I don't know if it's because it plumps it up or because it, like, I don't know. But, yeah, my face feels smoother. It looks smoother. When I apply my foundation, I don't just see the texture anymore. I see skin through there, and it's kind of nice, actually. So there's that. So then we have the azelaic acid cream. Azelaic acid 10,000 ppm. And panthenol is 3,000 ppm. And let's see, what does it say on the side of the box? Experience the dual benefits of azelaic acid and skin-loving hydration in one luxurious formula. Apply a small amount to affected areas twice daily after cleansing. So I use this as a lotion. And it's creamy, and it's smoothing, and it makes my face feel soft. Honestly, with this one, I could take it or leave it. With these three, I noticed a huge difference. With this, not so much. I feel like I could use almost any moisture, you know, decent moisturizer. I'm not saying it's not a good moisturizer. It's a good moisturizer. But you know, I don't think it was extremely special. So there is that. It is creamy and it is moisturizing. But there's a lot of good moisturizers out there now. Alright, so for the cleanser, it retails for $13.50 on YesStyle. It is currently on sale for $12.15. The Nineless A Control Azelaic Acid Toner retails for $18.90. It is on sale for $17.01 right now. The Nineless A Control 10% Azelaic Acid Serum. It retails for $13.90. On YesStyle, it is $12.51 currently. And the Nineless A Control Azelaic Acid Cream, it retails for $13.50 and is on YesStyle for $12.15. Now I'm going to link all these below. They are affiliated links, and I will make a small commission if you choose to purchase using those links. They do have a mini set that you can try out all 4 products for $15.75. So you can try the products out if you'd like, and I can also link that little kit below as well. I'm going to say these 3 products I would buy again. This one I probably wouldn't purchase just because there's no point. I have other moisturizers that I like just as much as I like that one. So that is my review of the Nineless A Control line for acne prone skin. My son said that he liked the way that it got rid of the redness around his nose and the dryness around here. He has eczema pretty badly and acne as well. He had acne on his chin, and that has cleared up. since he started using it. There's still a little bit of marks there, but if he continues to use it, they'll probably go away because niacinamide will help that a lot. Like I said, if you choose to purchase using my links, they are affiliated and I do make a small commission off of them. And I appreciate anyone who does use my links. All right, so that's it. What do you think? Does this sound like something that would be helpful to you? Or are you just not in the market for anything like this? Either way. All right, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.